Warm welcome, UAE customers visit EagerLED. LED customers to visit the LED screen exhibition hall. You will see various types of LED screens we display to meet customers with different needs. EA640F2 is one of our high-quality indoor LED screens. It has the characteristics of high resolution, high brightness and high contrast, which makes it can get excellent display effect in various scenes. In the LED screen aging workshop, we show how to perform rigorous burn-in tests on LED screens and LED modules. By simulating long-term use, we can ensure the quality and stability of each LED screen. We hope this visit can help you better understand and choose LED screen products that suit your needs. If you have further questions or concerns about any product or technology, our team will be more than happy to assist and support you.